So in this van, we're installing the just wrapped Baltic birch walls. They look really clean, and for the most part, they're pretty resilient to odors and stains, and just you can kind of beat them up a little bit. If they get torn, of course, that sucks, but you know, you hit your wall with, you know, a bike pedal or something like that, it's gonna kind of grind it up. It gives a really nice clean appearance, like your seams are tight, everything is pressed together well. You can kind of hide a little bit of your, you know, mismeasurements or anything like that when you use cloth and fabric wrapped walls. It just looks much nicer. And I think if this is your first van, this is an easy way to make it look super pro. Wrapped walls, that is my favorite way to go. Wrapped door jambs. This is, again, one of those things. I've seen people try to build big boxes around this stuff, and that is gonna be very time consuming. Sometimes it's best to just pull off this weather stripping. Pulls off pretty easily. Mark the center. So that way life is a little bit easier when you go put everything on. The center of your backup camera, a lot of the times there is a dot. If you don't have a dot, mark that before you pull this stuff off. And also be careful, don't step on this, don't shut your door with this stuff coming off. It has a metal channel in here, and if you smash it and bend it, you can ruin the entire seal and you have to replace it. But we pull this stuff off, and then we glue the foam and the fabric directly to the metal, like we were describing for the doors. Just a little seam up here. Start with the top, then go to the sides, and then after it's all said and done, you cut it with a razor, and then you just get this guy, and you can use either a dead blow hammer or just kind of like stick it back on with your hand, but it leaves for a really nice, clean look. I would recommend giving a shot with the cloth. It ends with a nicer looking product.